has emerged, threatening users of Apple's most popular devices. Apple recently issued a critical security update for an alarming zero-day flaw on its systems. This vulnerability, identified as 2025 Cape Verde Escudos 24201, lurks within the WebKit web browser engine. Described as an out-of-bounds right issue, it poses risks to user safety and privacy. Crafty attackers could exploit this flaw, breaching the web content sandbox with malicious web content. In response, Apple tightened security measures to block unauthorized actions and enhance user defenses. Interestingly, this fix comes after blocking a related attack in iOS 17.2, showcasing a proactive approach. Reports indicate that specific individuals may have already fallen victim to sophisticated attacks targeting iOS users. However, details about the origins or duration of these attacks remain shrouded in mystery. With 3 zero-day vulnerabilities addressed this year alone, Apple's commitment to security is more crucial than ever.